Mighty fine looking 4runner. So we got a bay out in the shop cleaned up. We got all of our bits on the table and boxes opened up. And yeah, we're gonna get ready to throw this thing together. So I figured before I did, I'd show you some of the details that we got exposed. Door jambs are looking fresh. It's all base clear. This is our brake line for our body colored bed liner. This is base clear, just body colored bed liner. Real nice. I've already had to wash it out a couple of times, and it's super nice stuff on the inside. Last time we were talking about wheel wells, and those are double protected at this point, so it got coatings like the chassis. Chassis is all done. Real happy with how it came out. Glad we did it. And then wheel wells got the same coating. And then we did Raptor liner bed liner over that to give it a nice hard shell and protect it from any sand, salt water, any of that stuff. We got sound deadener installed in the entire vehicle. So in the doors, both sides, quarter panels all the way around, and the tailgate. When you do a sound check, it's real nice. Real nice. Wheel wells are done back here. And suspension's all finalized. I just got to throw the core 4x4 shackles in. Cheap shackles on a Toyota. Yes! Tailgate's installed. Ready for seals. Everything's happy on that. And then we had talked about earlier how we were going to body color the bed liner to protect it, so when we put stuff in and out it doesn't get beat up. So that's the bed liner. Base clear. Zinc coated hardware, so we don't got to worry about rust or beating paint off. Base clear. I got the roll bar installed. Same deal on that. Zinc coated hardware. And a table full of stuff. The other thing we did is insulate the firewall in the bottom of the floor, because we took a lot of the factory deadening out and we're putting that big V8 in there. So that 2UZ is going to produce some heat, and we wanted to protect the cabin a little bit as much as we could. Engine compartment's all done. Chassis and axle's all done. Core support. Aprons, under hood. I'm happy. There's your 4runner update. We're gonna button up a couple of things, finish the cross member, and these parts are gonna fly on this thing. So appreciate you guys. Hope you have a good week. Hope you're enjoying the content, the work, and hope you're excited about Road Rally. I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys out there. Lots of irons in the fire. I feel like I'm doing a good job at keeping all the bases covered for you guys. So let me know how this thing looks to you, and we'll talk at you real soon. Appreciate y'all. Take care.